yes, it's time for my ackee to go in. So I'll just pour it in. Oh, beautiful. Oh gosh, look at that. I'm gonna add some black pepper now. So that's the only, so I put some black pepper over it. Might add some more. These are the big grains. So yeah. Hello guys, so today I'm on the ranges and I'm doing some clay pigeon shooting, and then after that I'll cook up a storm. Yeah, stay tuned for this exciting video. You love it. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, so this is stand 2. Yeah, let's do some shooting. Let's see what this entails. Go. So I'm gonna go on to number 3. So now I'm gonna go to my favorite stand. Oh my god, come along with me. Somebody out there. Hey. B. Bonkers! Sweet! Sweet! Hey. B. I like that cartier, man. Wow guys, look where I found a beautiful spot where I will be cooking up my so I'm going to show you and tell you the menu that I'll be preparing today. Wow, so beautiful. The sunshine, the water, and the food. So I'm just going to show you guys, this is where I'll be preparing my food, and today's menu is going to be ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. Yum yum. So here I've got my barbecue stand on here, and I brought this huge frying pan. See, that's where I'm going to be doing everything, preparing everything in. So I put that to hot there. Yeah. So here I pre-made my dough. Pan, it's hot. I'm gonna pour my oil in. You have a look. So I'll pour quite a bit because I'm going to fry the dumplings. So yeah, I'm happy with that, yeah. So yeah, I've washed my hands and I'm now going to make my doughs. Yep. 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 So now I'm making my doughs. So first I did this, you know, give it a little shape, and then I'll use my to press it out like that, and then I'll press it like that, and then I'll put it in. There you go. Yeah. So the dumplings are coming on fine. See? Let me just give you guys a little view of my surrounding. Oh gosh, you see the water? So, if I never told you before, so it's Ackee and saltfish. So these are my saltfish that I've pre-prepared. These are for the Ackee and saltfish: onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and black pepper. And that's the Ackee there. That's the oil and some more flour. Yeah, it's good vibe. Nice. Ooh. So I'm cutting up my seasoning for the Ackee and saltfish. So here I've got some scallion, I've got onion, you know, 2 colors, and some tomato. See? So yeah, I'm gonna put the saltfish in. See the saltfish? And let them fry for a bit. And now I'm gonna put my vegetable, because these are, you know, a little bit crispy. So I put these around. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Literally, me not. You know me already. Me have to taste a piece of this. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. So yes, it's time for my Ackee to go in. So I'll just pour it in. Oh, beautiful. Oh gosh, look at that. I'm gonna add some black pepper now. So that's the only. So I put some black pepper over it. Might add some more. These are the big grains. So yeah. Ready? So oh my god, that's the finished product. So here you got the Ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, and I'm just going to give it a try. Wow, it's hot.
Charlie, Willow, watch what I got. Sorry.
Mm.
No!
So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of that. That was amazing. It was a beautiful day, beautiful food, and mission accomplished. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just gonna say it again. So don't forget, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, tell the world about Spicy Truths. There's lots more to come. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. You gotta clean the pan with some sand. Clean it.